What's up, BB gang? It's your boy Javon.
It's your girl Shavon.
And welcome back to another video, man. So guys, by the thumbnail and title, we're gonna be playing
Connect 4.
Yeah, Connect 4. Guys, before we start the video, I never played Connect 4 before. But we did get a couple rounds before we started videos to get the hang of it. And your boy, let me tell you, your boy is a beast, man. Y'all go see how I'm finna
Whatever.
I'm finna 6-0 you right now. 6-0. Skunk your ass.
No, he not, y'all. I be letting him win because he never played Connect 4 before.
You should take all that advice you can. I been whooping your ass though.
No, he haven't. Don't let him lie to y'all like that.
Alright, so we gonna dive into it? Alright,
we gonna play Connect 4 because I thought, ooh, we quarantined or whatever. We in the house. So let us play Connect 4.
Okay, so how we gonna do, like, out of 3?
What?
Out of 3, whoever win? 3?
Best
3 rounds?
Best 3
rounds? Whoever?
Okay,
Yeah.
we can do 3 rounds.
Depends on how long the game are. Or we're gonna go 3 to 4 in a matter, or 5 in a matter.
No, we're going to 3.
I'm gonna whoop your ass.
No,
it's gonna be a quick game, quick little video.
Anyways, let's get straight into
Before we
this
start,
video.
make sure you gotta like and subscribe, and saying, comment down below what other games you want us to play. Just a little something different, something fun, something, you know, not too much. But
You ready?
Who's gonna go first? Rock, paper, scissors, or what?
No, we're just gonna go straight.
Oh, so you gonna go first?
Yeah, I go
Alright,
first.
you go first.
Just like that.
Alright, just like that. You guys see that? Alright, just like that. I can't really.
You can't see it?
I can see. Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see
I
it.
feel like you need the glasses.
No, no.
I don't know what you're trying to do. I don't know what she's trying to do, man. This line right here. You won?
No, I did not. Don't be trying to get me lost up like
I got confused for me. I was like, hold on. Let me pause for a minute, cause she got too many little yellows right here.
Whatever.
Hold on. What did you say?
Go ahead. No, nothing.
Hold on real quick, bro.
Guys, while he's doing that, just a little background on why we decided to buy this game. I told him that we needed to spend more couple quality time with each other. So yeah. So I told him let's buy a board game and Connect 4. Yeah, baby. Y'all see that right there? I'm the yellow.
I wasn't even paying. I was listening to what you were saying.
So yeah, guys, I told him we need to spend more couples time together because we always work and we do YouTube videos and we never spend any quality couple time with each other.
Yeah, that's why we've been posting a lot of videos like that.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
because we've been spending time with each other because we've been neglecting our relationship. Even though YouTube is fun and everything, we enjoy it and stuff. Baby, you can go first.
Okay, I'll go first.
Okay.
Alright, go ahead and do your spiritual talking stuff.
Why you always going where I'm trying to go?
Because I need to go there.
But anyways, even though we love doing YouTube, boy.
You saw me?
What? Yes, I saw you.
I am GG's. Damn, bro, she got me again. Damn, that's what, 2-0?
What you talking about?
You got one right here. You got one right here.
Oh yeah.
Damn, I'm missing them.
Now play my place. I can play.
Bro,
Play so I can play my
you gonna
place.
win. See, you win 1, 2, 3 right here. See, right here. You win. Okay, that's 2 zips. You 3 zipping, bro.
Whatever.
Hey, you bring your A game, huh?
Yes, I did. Cause you ain't about to have me look like no clown. Give me my chip.
Okay. That's cool, man. I'm just giving you a little extra boost, you know.
Nah, whatever. That ain't what it is.
How much you going to?
2 or 3 games.
3 games?
4.
Yeah,
We can go to
3
4
games?
because we had 2 now.
What are you smiling for?
That's it.
Oh, you can see something.
Nothing. Go, play it, play it.
What was that? You know, see me, we wave like the ocean, yo. I thought I messed up. Oh.
You got 4.
Oh shit, I'm fucking from that.
What?
Don't think too hard. Don't think too hard.
Whatever. Man, you could have had me.
I wasn't looking, man. Dang, I wasn't looking, bro. Dang, I messed up, bro. Ah. See me, I could weird like the what?
What?
Oh.
What?
Yeah, see me, I could weird like the ocean, yo. Yeah, see me, I could weird like the ocean, yo.
You ain't shit. Babe, we gotta call this a game.
Hope you guys can see it good.
Can y'all see it?
What's wrong with you, girl? What's wrong with you, shorty? What's wrong with you, shorty? What's wrong with you,
We're
shorty?
gonna run out of chips soon.
You know, see me, it weird like the ocean, you know. What you just did? Oh, you ain't did shit.
Ain't this shit.
You ain't did nothing.
I know what you're trying to make me do.
What?
Don't worry about it.
Don't
Don't worry about it, dude.
What I'm trying to make you do? Huh?
Hmm.
What I'm trying to make you do? Thank you. I ain't trying to make you do nothing 'cause I won. Got it. What was I trying to make you do? Play right here?
Yeah.
I know. I know.
You annoying.
What's that? 3, 2, 1?
Yeah, my 2 to your 1.
I'm gonna come back from that. Come back.
Alright, this is gonna be the last game?
She talking about
This is the last game, we wanna go 2
whoever
more?
go 3. Who go 3?
Okay, who gets to 3 first?
Yeah. If you guys enjoy, make sure you guys like and subscribe.
I'm gonna stop.
Got you. Boom, 1, 2, 3. Look how she's looking.
Obviously, I know you lying.
Yo, this is looking hard too. Bam 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 bam.
Shut up. Got that ass. Got that ass. Got
Oh, you got
that
me?
ass.
Where?
Bam, bam, wow.
Ah! No, bro. Bro, I thought I had you, bro.
The game.
I thought I had you, bro.
Y'all, I won.
I was like, I got you 2 ways. Damn.
Give me my money.
Come on, we're going more.
That's what you said. 3.
Come on, we're going 5.
We're going 5.
3-1, right?
Yes.
Okay, come on, please.
This is the last round.
Okay, it's last time.
Y'all, he likes this game now. Let me stop playing.
You can handle the side space.
I'm just putting stuff now.
She can't handle the fast space, you know what I'm
I
saying?
sure can, boo.
I,
Yeah.
And I, oh,
no way! One more. One more. Ain't no way, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Play, bro.
Oh my
Play, bro.
god.
Thank you, GG. Give him more. Come on, what's that? Come on. 2-4.
Look at you, boo. You got me. You got me. Look at him, y'all. Look at him. He determined.
Oh, I got you. Oh, I got you. Oh, I got you.
bruh.
I don't know. Play.
Oh, you got me.
Play.
Wait, hold on. She said I got here. Let me double check real quick. You trying to play games with me, bro?
If you don't get me, I'm getting you.
Hmm? Oh, I got you, though.
Play.
Oh, I got you.
Play your thing, boo.
Oh, I got you, though.
Play your thing, boo boo.
GG's.
See there. GG's.
Hold on.
I stopped the game for it, so that's all that matters. Boom.
Come on, right now. Come on, right now. Let's talk about. Oh, game down. Come on, game down quick. Wait, what? Wait, what?
Oh dear.
Pressure's on, guys. Pressure's on. Wait. Oh, I thought you. Jump in my game shit. Give me that. Okay, let's go. Give me that.
Who does that feel?
Give me that. 4-4. We tie the game. That's a wrap. That's it.
That's it?
Game time. Nobody wants. Game time. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, man. Let us know what other board games you want to play.
Yes, guys.
I don't take no L's over here.
Whatever.
Came back.
Y'all, we said best 2 out of 3.
Man, we came back. Best it was 4. We said 3 to 5, right?
No, we did not. Alright, y'all, if y'all were entertained or slightly entertained by this video, make sure y'all like this video, comment in the comment section below. And yeah, guys, we'll catch y'all in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, hit the notification bell to be notified, subscribe to this channel so you will be in tune with our next videos. We love y'all. Peace.